Hi everyone, I wanted to show you another Canva tutorial. This is for images that come out pixelated or they're not smooth black outlines, it's kind of blurry. So what I did was I found this image right here on Google, and it's a bunch of images on one page. So I uploaded the image on Canva and then I placed it on a empty Canva thing ready for my book, and I got each character individually with the magic grab. So here I am grabbing another character and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Just grab it and then place it on another page, and then right here I go to apps and I search upscale. So you're going to upscale your image, and then right here I choose page because you're just gonna do one page. It only lets you do one page at a time. I don't know why, but it gives you the option to do multiple. So it's upscaling the image. And here it is already. You could see with the slider the difference. Then it gives you another copy and you place it and look at the difference. See how the top is kind of blurry and the bottom is way just more nicer and cleaner. So I do this step so when I go to Colorify AI and change the picture to a coloring page, it won't look so blurry and give me so much shading. So right here I just download the images after I upscale them, and I go to Colorify AI and I upload the image, generate, and I always choose no BG, and these are the ones that I previously did. The ones on the left I did not like, so that's when I found the other page with multiple characters with no background. It's easier. And here I am doing another one. You could really see the difference on this one. Look at the shoes. Looks so much nicer. And here I am doing the same thing, saving the new version, then going to Colorify and uploading it and changing it to a color page. And here I am adding the other images. I didn't like that previous one, so I chose another one. I'm deleting that one and adding this one right here. Just looks more like the character, I think. These are brain rot characters. I know they're really popular with a lot of kids right now. So there it is. I hope this video helps you, and please, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.